Hello and welcome to the Trade Setup. Today I just wanted to provide you a quick update on PayPal, and shortly, for those of you who didn't see the previous videos on the longer time frame, we had a wave 1 that ended here, and then we went down in the white count either in a wave 2 or in the yellow count in a wave A that would then have a wave B up that's possibly finished or could extend higher and then go lower in wave C. Both counts are still valid scenarios, both the yellow and the white scenario. Now, in the white scenario, we have this wave A to the upside and then a wave B to the downside, and we are now looking for higher in wave C. In this wave C, we have formed a first wave 1 up in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we have started the move down, which would be in 3 waves. It could be that this move down is the entire move down and it's the entire correction. I am more inclined to believe that this would form the wave A down, and then we move up in B before we finish the correction that's either in the white count, the wave 2, or in the yellow count, the wave B, that would allow for a move higher in wave C. So you see, in both the yellow and the white count, the support zone overlaps, and that is because we have 5 waves up here in both white and yellow. So in both scenarios, we expect the same support zone to hold and push us higher. It doesn't matter if it's the white or the yellow count, we do expect higher, and if we break above the resistance zone in yellow, that's up to $83.81, then the white count becomes more likely. But for now, we track both scenarios with equal probabilities, and they both indicate that we should expect higher prices. Now, in the lower time frame, it looks like we have 3 waves down here. So it would be like a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C that's still forming. This is micro counting, but from what I can tell is that we had 5 waves down in wave A, and then we went up in B, and then we had a wave 1 in C, a wave 2 in C, and then a wave 3 in C. Now with the 4th wave forming and then going lower, ideally hitting the support zone that we have in white and in yellow. Again, they overlap, they apply for both scenarios. Also, what I am going to do is add an extra line here that would be the support zone for the price action that occurred here, which allowed a reaction 2 times and pushed us higher. So yeah, this could likely form the wave A down here and then have the B wave up, or the bigger move that would be the wave C or wave 3 in white, wave 3 in white and wave C in yellow, or just before we extend the correction to the downside. Regardless, this is a decent entry. I will mark this as green, and yeah, you have the support zone. We are quite close to the first line of support, and this is the trade setup. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what else you want me to cover. I will keep you updated on this chart and others, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.